Hello students, our next point is word problems. Word problems means the example in the form of words in the form of short stories. So that we have to solve. The example is given here. There were 55 potatoes in the basket. Mother cooked 28 potatoes. How many potatoes are left in the basket? So how many potatoes in the basket? That is 55 potatoes are there. Out of them, mother cooked 28 potatoes. So how many left in the basket, that we have to find. So first we have to write the given information. So total number of potatoes in the basket, that is how many? 55. And number of potatoes cooked are 28. So we have to, as we have to find the left potatoes in the basket, we will perform here subtraction. Starting with the ones column, 5 minus 8. As you can see here, 5 is smaller than 8, so we can't subtract it directly. So we have to take a 1 borrow from it next. Next is 5. If we take 1 from here, 4 will be remain. And 110 plus 5 is become 15. Now 15 minus 8 possible, right? So count after small number up to big number. So after 8 up to 15 is how many? 7. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So answer is here 27. So number of potatoes left in the basket are 27. So you can write the answer in the form of words are therefore 27 potatoes are left in the basket. So we will start our exercise 4.3. Solve the following word problems. First, there are 42 students in class 2nd A. If 19 of them are girls, how many boys are there in the class? So in this class 2nd A is given. In class 2nd A, how many total number of students are there? 42 students. And from that 42 students, 19 are girls. So how many boys are there, that we have to find. So what we will do, we will write 42. So as 2 is on ones place, so 2 is on ones column, 4 is on tens, so 4 is on tens. 42 minus 19, so 9 is on ones and 1 is on tens. So 42 minus 19. So starting with the ones column, 2 minus 9. In subtraction, first condition is what? Is to check first number should be bigger than second. It is not here, so we can't subtract directly 9 from 2. So we have to take a borrow from it next. Next is 4. So if we take 110 from 4, how many will remain here? 3. That is 3. And 110 plus 2 is become 12. So 12. Now first number is bigger than second one? Yes. So subtraction now possible. So count after small number up to big number. So 9 after 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 3. So 3 and 3 minus 1. After 1 up to 3. After 1, 2, 3. That is 2. So your answer is here 23. So this answer you can write in the form here. There are 23 boys. This number of answer is what? Number of boys in the class. So there are 23 boys in the class 2A. Now next B. 82 students were writing a test in a hall. 36 students finished the test and left the hall. How many students are still there in the hall? So how many total number of students are given here? 82. That 82 students are writing the test in a hall. Out of them, 36 students finished the test and they left that hall. So how many students are still sitting at that hall, we have to find. So how many students are there? 82. So first 82. Then out of them, how many have finished their test? 36. So 36. Bigger number you will write first and smaller after that. So 82 minus 36. Starting with ones columns. So 2 minus 6 is not possible as 2 is smaller than 6. So we have to take a borrow from next. Next is 8. So if we take 1 10 from 8, how many will remain here? 7. And 110 plus 2 is become 12. Now subtraction will be possible as first number is bigger than second one. So count after small number up to big number. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is 6. 7 minus 3. Count after small up to big. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 4. So we will write over here 4. So your answer is here 46. So this answer you will write in the given blank. That is 46 students are still there in the hall. The third one is given. Kavya invited 27 friends to her birthday party. 8 friends came early. How many more friends were to come? So Kavya's birthday party is there and she invited her 27 friends, and out of them 8 friends came early. So how many more friends are still there to come? So first number is here what? 27. So total number of friends are 27. So we will write 27. And how many friends came early? 8. As 8 is a one digit number, so one digit number we placed in ones column. So 8. So 27 minus 8. Starting from ones column, 7 minus 8. You can see here 7 is smaller than 8. So we can't subtract it. So we will take 110 from tens column. So as 2 is there, if we take 1, so how many will remain? 1. And 110 plus 7 is become 17. Now first number is bigger than second one. Yes. So subtraction will possible. So count after small number up to big number. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many? 9. So we will write over here 9. And 1 minus nothing is there. If nothing is there, 0 is there. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So you will write this answer in the given blank. So there were 19 friends more to come. Next, in the match against South Africa, Kohli and Gambhir together scored 94 runs. If Gambhir scored 48 runs, how many runs did Kohli scored? So match is given and in that Kohli and Gambhir scored total 94 runs. Out of 94 runs, Gambhir scored 48 runs. So how many remaining score, that is Kohli score, that we have to find. So how many total number of score are given? 94. So we will write 94 in the given column, 94 minus 38 score are scored by Gambhir, that is 48, and perform the subtraction. So 4 minus 8, as 4 is smaller than 8, we can't subtract it. So we will regroup 110 from tens column. So if we take 110, how many will remain here? 9 minus 1, 10, that is 8. And 110 plus 4 is become 14. So now first number is bigger than second number. So subtraction is now possible. So count after small number up to big number. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is 6. And 8 minus 4. After 4 up to 8. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 4. So how many? 46. Kohli scored 46 runs. So this is how we can subtract the given word problems. I hope you can do the remaining two sums by your own.